TACMON. Development of a low-cost interactive graphical tactile display capable of displaying textual and graphical information as advanced user interface for the visually impaired. There are more than 7 million visually impaired people across Europe. Visually impaired are increasingly locked out from our modern information and communication society, which is more and more visually oriented. They rely on their touch sense and or their hearing to access information. High unemployment amongst the visually impaired is a serious social and economic problem. There is a need for effective assistive technology to facilitate employment of visually impaired. Industrial companies have difficulties to comply with anti-discrimination legislations due to the high cost or even the lack of suitable assistive technologies. The most widespread assistive technologies in use are screen reader with text-to-speech engines and braille display lines. Both are limited to textual information. Access to graphical information like charts, mathematical functions or simply a graphical user interface is very limited for visually impaired. We can work only with texts. Already a table, which is text ordered in a 2D structure, difficult to interpret when it is only presented by voice. Feeling the layout of the table would already be a great help. METEC AG, one of the industrial partners in the TACMON projects, early detected this need. With its long years of experience, METEC developed the most advanced large area graphical tactile display currently available. Visually impaired testers of this technology confirmed the added value of a large area tactile display providing interactive access to both textual and graphically oriented electronic information, opening literally a new dimension of information access. The aim of TACMON project is to make such devices more reachable in price by the development of a low-cost technology based on a novel technological concept using cutting-edge technologies. TACMON combines the advantages of macro and micro technologies. The actuator matrix is realized in micro-electromechanical system, so-called MEMS technology, supported by pneumatics to achieve the required raising amplitude and force for the tactile dots. This is a powerful combination, providing the potential of a low-cost mass production. The advantage of the TACMON concept is that a large actuator matrix can be produced in one block without the need for individual assembly of single actuators for each tactile dot. This allows a significant cost reduction compared to state-of-the-art technologies. TACMON is a co-financed project by the European Union, which brings together 17 partners from 8 different countries, working 3 years together to achieve this technological breakthrough. The viability of the concept has been demonstrated on a functional prototype featuring an 8x12 matrix of dots. The consortium intends to continue with the developments to further optimize the cost and to scale up the technology. The goal is to arrive at a tactile display size of 80 by 120 dots, while reducing the size of the supportive hardware components. The larger the display area is, the wider the range of the possible applications are. As a first application, a training program has been developed allowing visually impaired training their skills in reading and interpreting tactile graphics, as well as to get familiar with the use of such a device. Such a device would create new opportunities in work and in learning, but also in leisure and communication. Such a device literally opens a second dimension for the visually impaired community. Until now, this was only available on paper-based printed material. The number of possible future applications seems to be endless.